viewers, and welcome to another wonderful episode on Learn Yoruba Easily. And I'm glad to see you. If you have not watched any of our video, if today is the first time of joining us, it's important for you to go and start from where we started, because we've treated some topics, and I think you need to go back and watch it. Today we'll be looking at a wonderful topic indeed, a topic that will help us in every other things we are going to do in learning Yoruba. It's talking about how to have the Yoruba keyboard on your gadgets. Maybe, for example, how to have it on your phone, your computer, or whatever instrument you are using to learn your Yoruba. It's important for you to have the Yoruba keyboard on your phones. So today we'll be looking at reasons why you need to have the keyboard on your phone or any gadget you are using, and how you'll be able to install it, because it's very important. It's important for you to have the Yoruba keyboard on your learning gadgets. Alright, welcome back, and we'll be looking at how to firstly install the Yoruba keyboard on the phone. I'm using an Android phone. The first thing I will do is to go to my Google Play Store, which is this, my Google Play Store, and I will go and search for the Google Keyboard. I prefer Google Keyboard. There are several keyboards to use for your Yoruba keyboard. There are several Yoruba keyboards, and there are several keyboards that have Yoruba keyboard, but I prefer Google Keyboard than any other ones. Google Keyboard, you just type Gboard, which is also Google Keyboard, the Google Keyboard. Then I think I already have it on my phone before, so the first thing I will do is to uninstall it, so as to teach you and put you through in installing it. So I'm uninstalling it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so you install the Gboard, which is also the Google Keyboard, Okay, it has started installing now. It is the first thing you need to do. If you prefer any other keyboard, you can use it. Just go to your Google Play Store and check for it. And if you are using any other gadgets, maybe iPhone, your computer, you just go to where you download your apps and you search for any in the Yoruba keyboard, but preferably the Google keyboard itself. You understand? Like, I just enjoy the Google keyboard because of how it is being made. Yeah, it contains several languages, but out of the several languages, I just select the one I need, which is the English and the Yoruba keyboard. Okay, it's downloading 63%, 65%. Okay, we are waiting for it to finish, and I have 74, say 80. Okay, do quick now. Do quick. Shakia. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for you. Alright, that's 95% now, 98, and we will happen the 100. Now the keyboard is installing. Like I said, without the keyboard you will not be able to do several things in your learning of Yoruba. The keyboard make it easy for you to be able to write and type in Yoruba, which helps your writing ability and even your reading ability, because the more you write it, the more you be able to read it and understand it. Yeah, let me count 10 to 1 like I did the other time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, we are waiting for it to finish. Okay, very good. It has finished now. So the Gboard wants to read my contacts, so I give it permission, I allow it. So the next thing I will do is to go and open it. You can open it directly from here, or you just go to where it has been downloaded. Can you see it now? Then you click the Gboard itself. So the first step, which is step 1, is that you enable the Gboard in settings. Enabling it in settings you already have a keyboard you are using on your gadget before, maybe on your phone, for example. If you enable the Gboard in your settings, it will help you to select the Gboard and remove it will make you stop using the other keyboard but start using the Gboard. I believe you understand what I mean. Okay, so you click the enabling in settings, that is the first thing. Then you come and click where they write the Gboard multilingual typing. Gboard multilingual typing, then you enable it there. So this input method will be able to collect all the text you type, including personal data like password and credit card numbers. It comes from the app Gboard. Use this input method. You press OK. You can be able to save some of your data so that next time when you are typing, it will just auto correct or to type it for you. It will make it easier to type. After you have typed once, it will be able to give you it will be able to help you know the next thing you want to type the next time you want to type it. All right, so the next thing to do now, which is step 2, is to select input method. That is, select the Gboard as your default input method. Now come here and select it. It was mine was initially on touchpad, so that is the initial keyboard I was using. Now I want to start using the Gboard. I click the Gboard. Then you can set additional languages. You click done. Then I'm coming to where I'm going to select additional languages. Now you can see that where the second this thing that you are seeing there,
you can see that the first one is preferences, the second one is languages. That is what we are really particular about in this lesson. The languages, you can see that it's only one language that was using, just English. That is the US English. So you can add other languages to it, and that is where we are actually going. So you click the language itself, then you come down and you click add keyboard as I've done. You can see several languages written alphabetically. You can see from A, B, different languages of different countries. So by the time you keep scrolling, the language we are looking for is Yoruba, and it starts from letter Y. So it's understandable that letter Y should be down, because after Y is Z, so it should be the one of the last alphabets down. So let's just scroll down fast. So we hope to see our Yoruba keyboard. Can you see the keyboard has several languages? Alright, good. Can you see the Yoruba now? Then you come and you select the Yoruba, and then you click done. Your Yoruba is automatically selected. Can you see? If you want to add another language, you can still add, but I'm just okay with the English and Yoruba. And that's all. So if I want to test my writing of if I want to test it, I can just come here. Let me go to my message and type something. For example, can you see now? If you can look at this place, the space bar, you can see something like EN and YO. Now the EN and YO, EN is English and YO is Yoruba, because I selected just two languages, which is English and Yoruba. But by the time you type, it gives you auto type for you, majorly in English and then a bit in Yoruba, because it is English Yoruba. So I can change it to Yoruba English if you want most of your auto words to be in Yoruba. Can you see? It's in Yoruba. Àwọn, because I just changed it. You can see changes also when you click this. If you want to change it, you come and press the space bar down, and then you can, if I click English now, you see that these words, they are in English, though it can still give me some in Yoruba, but it will majorly in English, because English comes before the Yoruba. But if I want Yoruba to come before the English, if I want it to give me more words in Yoruba than in English, I will come back and select the Yoruba. So you see, àwọn. Alright, so I can easily type in Yoruba now. Now let's look at some words that are in Yoruba that are not easily typed with the English keyboard. Let's look at it like the now. You can see this is the it's not actually in the normal English keyboard. Can you see this one also? This one, they are Yoruba alphabets. Let's look at another one, the O. And see, this is not normally in the English keyboard. This one is not also in the English keyboard. Neither this is also in the English keyboard. They are Yoruba alphabet, typical Yoruba alphabet. So it's important to have the keyboard to be able to type all these alphabets. If you try to check your English keyboard, you see that you will not be able to see all those alphabets I just show you now. So that is the essence to which the Yoruba keyboard is needed. So thank you, and try this also, and let me know, give me feedback, and let me know how far you are able to go about installing the Yoruba keyboard on your phone, and also enabling it on your gadgets. Yeah, thank you very much.
So welcome back, and that is just everything you need to know about how to have your Yoruba keyboard on your gadgets. But if you are not using this gadget and you are having complication or you don't understand how you are going to use it, you can contact me directly, ask me, and I'm going to help you and push you through. So I will be going to another topic the next time we are going to meet in the next video, and you know, we'll be looking at the things that we'll be looking at alphabets in Yoruba alphabets, and I know you are not going to miss it, because I will always be glad to see you in the next video. So see you.